Chantel Cameron is set to go down against Mikhaila Kotashkova. Mikhaila Kotashkova is an undefeated Czech Republic boxer who currently lives in Vienna. This Czech defeated Mikhail Alberan, Diana Rakovic, Giselle Luna, Nestle Kanmaloglu, and many other high-level boxers, but Chantel Cameron is a big name, 5'8", 69 inches of reach, out of Northampton. This chick outsmarted Jessica Camara, Trisha Bergholt, Helene McCallett. He had two very controversial fights against Katie Taylor, and I believe she's got what it takes to grind her way to a decision win against Mikhaila. But Mikhaila is so tough, kind of hard to lean towards Chantel Cameron. Chantel Cameron is aggressive, but Mikhaila has excellent counters and she can also be aggressive. Both chicas are chinny, so I'm saying over 8.5 if I must pick a side, Cameron decision.